Hi, this is Dave Lorenzo with RainmakerLawyer.com, and today we're going to talk about a principle that should be the standard for all of legal marketing, and that is simplicity. You want to keep your communications with your clients and your prospective clients as easy to understand as possible, because there are people from all different backgrounds, all different walks of life, and all different shapes and sizes that are going to see, hear, and respond to the communication that you put out there with your marketing. It has to be very, very easy to understand. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to talk about a few tips that make communication much easier for everyone to understand. And I'm not talking about making it easier for unintelligent people. I'm talking about making it easier for everyone, because the folks reading it are not lawyers. So, tip number one. You want to avoid using legal terms whenever possible, and when you do use a legal term in your marketing communication, you want to be able to explain it fully. So if you're going to use a legal term, you have to be able to describe it to someone when they read it. It's very, very important to keep things in the language of the layman, as they say, and you want to make legal terms a last resort, and if you're going to put a legal term in there, explain it completely and totally. So avoid using jargon. Number two, you want to make sure that your communication is understood by people from all different walks of life. So, do not use communication terms that are specific to your geography. Don't use communication terms that are specific to any ethnicity. Don't use communication language that only perhaps the police or folks involved in law enforcement would use, for example. You want to use communication terms that are easily understood by everyone. Number three, when you communicate with people, you want to communicate as quickly and concisely as possible. Don't use 20 words when 2 words will do. All of us like to hear the sound of our own voice, and many people like to write in a way that makes them seem intelligent. Believe me, it makes you seem much more intelligent when you communicate with people in a very clear and concise way. You don't need to be elaborate, and you don't need to really add extra words to the communication. Make it as short as possible, concise, and to the point. Number four, what you have to do, really, really important that you have to do, is you have to summarize. You have to get to the heart of the matter. Get to the heart of the matter at the beginning, get to the heart of the matter at the end. So I love the old phrase, and this goes back years and years and years. When you're giving a speech or when you're writing an article, you want to tell them what you're going to tell them, and then tell them what you just told them. Very, very important formula to remember. Make sure that you cover your topic, and make sure that you're clear when you cover your topic. And finally, you also want to be concerned about repetition. You need to make sure that you hammer home your message. Very, very important. State things multiple times in different ways so that people understand the message that you're trying to communicate. Those are 5 tips you can use to communicate more effectively when it comes to legal marketing. And those are 5 tips that will help you keep things very, very simple and easy to understand. Remember, when it comes to legal marketing, simplicity is king. Make sure you make things as concise and as simple as possible for your audience. My name is Dave Lorenzo, and if you'd like more great law firm marketing tips, you can find me at RainmakerLawyer.com. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.